Smart homes aren't just the future, they're the present. From automated lights to smart security systems, the right gadgets can completely transform your living experience. But with so many devices on the market, which ones truly stand out in 2024? In this video, I'll take you through the best smart home gadgets that offer more than just convenience. They're changing the way we live. Let's dive in. Smart home technology has evolved rapidly in recent years, and 2024 has brought some of the most exciting innovations yet. These gadgets are designed to simplify your life, make your home more energy efficient, and even enhance your security. Whether you're new to smart home technology or a seasoned enthusiast, these devices will help you stay ahead of the curve. In today's video, we're going to explore the top smart home gadgets that you need to consider adding to your setup. 1. Amazon Echo Show 10 3rd Gen. Let's start with the Amazon Echo Show 10 3rd Gen, a smart display that redefines the way you interact with your home. What makes this device special is its rotating 10-inch screen that automatically follows you around the room. So whether you're cooking, video calling, or watching tutorials, the screen is always in view. But that's just the beginning. With the power of Alexa, you can control all your smart home devices, check the weather, or even ask for recipe instructions, all hands-free. The Echo Show 10 also acts as a hub for your smart home. You can control everything from your lights and thermostat to your security system with just your voice. And with video calling, it's perfect for staying connected with family or colleagues while multitasking around the house. 2. Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Gen. Next up is the Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Gen, a game changer for anyone serious about energy efficiency and comfort. This smart thermostat doesn't just control your home's temperature, it learns your habits. After a few days of use, the Nest thermostat starts to automatically adjust the temperature based on your preferences. For example, if you typically lower the heat at night and turn it up in the morning, Nest will learn that and do it for you without you lifting a finger. What's even better is that the Nest Learning Thermostat can save you money on your energy bills. According to Nest, this device can save up to 10 to 12% on heating bills and 15% on cooling bills. And with the new energy history feature, you can monitor how much energy you're using each day directly from your smartphone. The thermostat also integrates seamlessly with other smart home systems, including Google Assistant and Alexa, meaning you can control your home's climate using your voice. And don't worry about compatibility. The Nest works with most HVAC systems, making it an easy upgrade for nearly any home. 3. Philips Hue Smart Lighting System. Lighting can change the mood of any room, and the Philips Hue Smart Lighting System is here to make that easier than ever before. Whether you want to set the mood for a movie night, a romantic dinner, or a party with friends, the Philips Hue system gives you complete control over your lighting setup. You can choose from over 16 million colors or create your own custom scenes that can be activated with a simple voice command. The real standout feature is the ability to sync your lights with your music, TV shows, and even video games. Imagine watching an action-packed movie and the lights in your room change color and intensity to match the scenes on your TV. It's an immersive experience that will take your home entertainment to the next level. And for those looking to make their home more energy efficient, Philips Hue bulbs are LED, which use far less electricity than traditional bulbs. They also integrate perfectly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, giving you full control from your smartphone or through voice commands. Whether you're at home or on vacation, you can schedule your lights to turn on and off, giving you peace of mind and added security. 4. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Security is always a top priority, and the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is one of the best devices to ensure your home is protected. This isn't just a doorbell, it's a smart security system. With 3D motion detection, it gives you an alert whenever someone approaches your door, and the 1080p HD video lets you see and speak to visitors, even when you're not home. What makes the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 stand out in 2024 is its head-to-toe video feature. Most video doorbells give you a limited view, but with this model, you get a full-body view of anyone at your door, including packages that might be left on your doorstep. This is a huge advantage if you're concerned about package theft. Another impressive feature is pre-roll, which captures the 4 seconds before motion is detected, so you never miss a moment of activity. You will also appreciate its two-way audio, allowing you to speak to delivery drivers, guests, or even deter potential intruders. Ring also integrates seamlessly with other smart home devices. You can connect it to your Echo Show, smart lights, or even your security cameras, creating a complete home security ecosystem. Whether you're at home or across the world, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 gives you the peace of mind that your home is protected. 5. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. For those who hate vacuuming, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is a dream come true. This smart vacuum cleaner is not only powerful, but incredibly intelligent. Using AI technology, it can navigate your home, avoid obstacles, and even recognize objects like cables, socks, and pet waste, ensuring a seamless and worry-free cleaning experience. One of the standout features of the Roomba J7 Plus is its self-emptying base. After each cleaning session, the vacuum automatically empties itself into the base, which holds up to 60 days worth of dirt and debris. This means you won't have to worry about vacuuming or emptying it for months. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it solution. And thanks to its smart mapping technology, the Roomba J7 Plus learns the layout of your home, so you can schedule cleaning sessions for specific rooms or areas directly from your phone. Plus, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can start a cleaning session with a simple voice command. If you're looking for a gadget that will save you time and effort, this is one you'll want to invest in. Conclusion: best smart home upgrades of 2024. So, there you have it, the best smart home gadgets of 2024 that will not only upgrade your home but also simplify your life. From the Amazon Echo Show 10 that keeps you connected and in control, to the Nest Learning Thermostat that helps you save on energy bills, these devices are designed to make your home smarter and more efficient. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's security with the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, add immersive lighting with Philips Hue, or take cleaning off your to-do list with the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, these gadgets have you covered. Each of these devices is a worthwhile investment that will not only add convenience, but also boost the value and functionality of your living space. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and smart home tips. Let me know in the comments which smart home gadget you're most excited to add to your home. And stay tuned for more videos to help you make your home smarter and your life easier.